Congratulations on your new cloud networking solution from CBTS. Whether you're ordering SD-WAN or Network as a Service, our service delivery team has created this video in order to help you prepare for a smooth installation experience. In this video, we'll be reviewing the very first phase of your install journey, the kickoff call. Your service agreement has been signed and your CBTS account manager has submitted the order for your cloud networking solution. Next, you will be contacted to schedule your kickoff call within the next 10 business days. A CBTS project manager will be assigned and will contact you, the customer, to initiate this call. The call may also include your account manager, sales engineer, and data engineer. During the call, roles and responsibilities will be identified, documentation will be verified, and the project timeline will be reviewed, which will vary by customer or configuration. The network design document, or NDD, will be started during the kickoff call, which customers are expected to participate in. If you have a third-party IT resource managing your network, please invite them to the kickoff call or let your CBTS project manager know if a separate technical call needs to occur at a different time. In order to better prepare for reviewing the NDD, it is recommended that you have the following information available during the kickoff call: IP addressing and VLAN schemes. Photographs of your current network rack or any existing network equipment is crucial in preparing our technicians for the day of your install. Any currently running configuration from existing hardware that CBTS would need to be aware of, and any available network diagrams. Please refer to your site readiness document included in your service agreement, which ensures that you've met the minimum requirements needed to complete your network design and eventual installation. Prior to your kickoff call, you will need to ensure and acknowledge the site of your installation meets these minimum requirements. Please ensure you have adequate internet connectivity installed and tested. It's also important that you have a dedicated circuit with surge protection to power your new equipment, along with ample power outlets. Ensure your cabling meets the standards set by the site readiness document. You will also need to ensure that you have adequate storage for your cloud networking equipment. A freestanding rack, shelving, or cabinet is required for installation. If needed, rack mount or wall mount equipment can be ordered with cloud networking equipment for an additional fee. The location of your equipment must be secured from public accessibility. If there's any construction taking place at your install site, we require that it be completed before your install date. You may not have this information, or you may be unsure of how you can gather it for the kickoff call. We'll be sure to discuss any information you are able to provide during the call, and your project manager will determine next steps. Because the NDD is relying on customer-provided information, your participation in completing this document is critical toward ensuring a smooth installation experience. Only when the NDD is completed can your CBTS project manager begin ordering your new equipment and move forward to the next phase of your installation. Your new equipment order and shipment will take approximately 2 weeks to arrive at your preferred address. It is recommended that you store your shipped equipment in a safe place and contact your CBTS project manager for further instruction, including confirmation of your scheduled install date. We hope this video has given you a better idea of what you can prepare for prior to your kickoff call. Once your kickoff call is complete and the NDD is ready, you'll be taking the next step of your install journey and begin to approach your day of install. Be sure to watch the second of our 2-part video series that covers what you can expect on your install date. Thank you for choosing CBTS.